Hello, good afternoon. So I'm going to discuss how to post news in English and foreign language site. So criteria for news posting: determine the top news related to politics. So 50%, economy 20 to 30%, and others, sports, music, art, lifestyle, fashion, etc. On other part, have 50% politics, mostly about the news within that country, and few international. So, and 20 to 30% economy, and the rest from various categories. Top 3 should contain 2 politics and 1 economy. Top 3 means the featured news of the news site. Okay, so and then for foreign language site, so how can we understand the news in the foreign language site? So what we're going to do is click this menu and then show settings, and then click advanced settings, and from advanced settings you will see this. Okay, I'll close this first. So click this one and then settings. Okay, so in the settings, show advanced setting. Okay, look for the advanced setting. So at the bottom, show advanced setting. And then look for the language. So this is the language. And then click this one, offer to translate pages that aren't in a language read. So for example, I'm going to post here in Israel English News Hebrew. So what I understand more is English. I don't speak Hebrew, but I have to post in here. So what I'm going to do, I go to this news site for reference. So always remember that you can use this link. Just click this link for the top media of each assigned country, and then look for the Israel media. Then almost all of the top Israel media or news site is already here. So if it's not, if the news site is not here yet, you can add it here. Feel free to add it here. So I'm going to look for Hebrew. So Haaretz. So this is Haaretz. Haaretz.co.il or Israel. And then, so this is in Hebrew. So I don't understand what's saying. So what I'm going to do is click this one, translate page, and then translate. So just wait for a few seconds. And Google Chrome will translate it for you. See? It will automatically translate. And then we're going to look for the headline news. So let's look for the headline news within the country. So for this one, let's post okay. Let's post this one for now. So it will lead you to the original text. So it's in Hebrew now. If you have doubt that this is the one you want to post, then just translate it again. So copy the link. So you can translate it to English, or to know if this is the one you like to post. And then you can just simply translate it back to Hebrew again. So copy it here. And then copy the photo. And then choose a column you like this to be posted. Okay, I would like it to be in the middle. And then you will choose if quick post or schedule. For quick post, it will be immediately posted. If schedule, will be scheduled on the time you wanted. So for example, it's 2:06. So you want it to be posted between 25 to 35 minutes from now. So let's say we're going to post it on 2:31, and then save changes. So this will be posted on 2:31 p.m. and then save changes, it will be posted. Okay.